Hi guys. Oh god, I just got a new camera, guys. Like, before we get into it, anyways, I'm so rude. Hi guys, how is everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing good. This is a new vlog, guys. Everybody been saying start vlogging, start vlogging. So this is our first vlog of the year. Okay, my name is Faith. If this is your first time seeing this beautiful girl, okay, my name is Faithful. Okay. Anyways, guys, my name is Faith, but you can call me Faithful, but my name is Faith. Okay, so I got a new camera, guys. So yeah, I'm vlogging, about to be a vlogger this year, guys. So I'm gonna try to be consistent, guys. Like, I'm gonna really try to be consistent. I keep looking at the viewfinder. I need to learn how to look at the lenses. So yes, guys, this is our first vlog, and this vlog is basically going to be a maintenance vlog. I'm basically just, going to be pampering myself on this vlog. I am traveling to New Jersey with my sister for my godson's birthday, his very first birthday. I cannot wait to go. I'm so excited, guys. So yes, this vlog is just going to be me getting ready, getting my nails done, getting my lashes done, all those good stuff, getting my hair done. Right now, guys, my hair is a mess. I'm trying a new product on my edges, guys. I don't have any edges, honestly, so I'm trying a new product that my sister got, and she says it's amazing for hair growth. I will show you guys the product in just a minute. I'm gonna go get it and show you guys. Today is Monday as well. So yeah, so this is our first day. I'm gonna be a weekly vlog, and I'm gonna end this vlog on Friday and then start a new vlog when I'm going to New Jersey. Yes, I have my lash appointment by 8:45, so I'm about to quickly go get that done. I'm gonna leave my house like 8:20, yeah, because it's about 20 minutes from my house, guys. I haven't gotten my lashes done in like forever. I think the last time I got my lashes done was in 2020, I believe. So I'm so excited to do that. I just want to pamper myself, guys. I feel like I work so hard and I don't pamper myself, honestly. So basically that's what I'm doing. I'm taking care of myself. This 2022, you have to work hard and take care of yourself, okay? The next time you guys are going to see me, I will have lashes and I'll be looking fine, okay? Yes. And I hope everyone is doing good. I hope everyone is staying safe. Yeah, let me show you guys the product I'm using for my hair. So like I said, this is the first day I applied it. Yeah, guys, this is what I've been using for my hair. It is called Virgin Hair Fertilizer. My sister recommended this to me, and she said it's like the best thing ever. She has been using it, so I decided to give it a try. And yeah, so I just started today. You guys can see how my edges look right now. Alright guys, so I am back now from getting my lashes done. I actually like the way they came out to be. I really don't like my lashes too like thick and dramatic, so I always tell how to do them like really like natural and nice. And I actually really like hair. Like today on, I like the last time I did my lashes with her, I believe this was in 2020, guys. It was like so much. I went home and I started taking that thing off one by one, but this one I really love. I love the way she did them. Yes, it's a vibe. I love it. That's it for this vlog. I'm about to, I know it's late, but I'm hungry, so I'm about to go make something to eat and then call it a night. I already took my shower before I left the house, and I'm just gonna call it a night. This is the last day of January, and I am so happy and I'm so thankful to God, and I pray that the whole remaining month of this year is as good or even better than January. So amen to that. So that's it, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. I don't think I'm doing anything crazy tomorrow, but I will see you guys tomorrow. There's no place for argument. You are God all by yourself. Good morning, people. hope everyone is doing great. Happy new month. We are in the month of February, guys. I am so excited. I am so grateful to God. Like, I just feel like this month is gonna be so like awesome. I can't even wait, honestly. So yes, guys, today is Tuesday. I'm really not doing much. I'm at work right now. I just got off from my meeting. If you don't know, guys, I work from home. Best decision ever. Love it because it just helps me to do a lot, and then I cater also, so it helps my catering business. I can be cooking and be working, making double money. Thank you, Jesus, you know. Anyways, guys, so yeah, I'm just chilling at home today. I'm just happy. I'm happy for the new month. Honestly, every first of the month is always like a sad time for us because we lost our mom on the 1st of June. For some reason today I just decided to just leave it all to God, you know. Don't even bother. I know I'm still sad in my heart, guys, but I just try to leave it up to God. God knows best, you know. I have questioned him a lot, but I just decide to just leave everything up to God. I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful for my family that is still here with us. I know my mom is definitely in a better place, and I know that she's always here with me in spirit. But yes, guys, so that's it, and I will see you guys. If I decide to do anything today, I will definitely carry you guys along, but if not, then we might see tomorrow. But we'll see how the day goes. But I totally forgot I have an appointment today. I have a quick appointment today by 5:30. I'm having a cooking class. So yes, guys, if you don't know, yes, I'm a chef. Chef. Okay, I think the more I vlog, the more you guys are going to know more about me and my daily life and the things I do on the side. So I'm having a cooking class this February, and I have an appointment to go look at the space I'm using, the kitchen I'm using for the cooking class. So I'm literally getting ready. I just got off work. So me and my sister, we are going together. Guys, don't mind my bed. I'm going to arrange it when I get back. I'm in a hurry. It's hot in this house, guys. Like, my sister is always on in the heater. It's so hot. About to quickly go for the appointment, and I'll actually take you guys along with me to see the space. So yes, guys, I'll see you guys when I get there. This is perfect.
Again, you get the whole room to yourself. You do have the 4 surfaces to spread out on. The oven is automatically attached to this station. What kind of what are you teaching?
Guys, I'm so happy. I'm super duper happy. I found them. It's really good to do your research. I'm telling you guys, like, the place I was about to use for my class is like 2 times more money being spent. So I'm so happy I found this place. Like, I'm so happy. I'm gonna leave a clip for you guys to see how amazing the place looked. That's just a perfect thing of what I was actually looking for, and they have everything I need and even more. So I'm so happy. I'm so excited about my class. So if you're in Nashville, Tennessee, okay, come and support your girl. Come out, come and eat, cook with me, sip some champagne, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, if you're in Nashville, Tennessee, please definitely come out. DM me on the gram. I'm gonna leave my Instagram page right here, the name. I'm gonna leave it there, so send me a DM so you can, you know, come to the class. I really appreciate it. I would really appreciate that. Yes, guys, so that's it for the day. I'm about to take my bath, and then that's all. I'm not doing anything today. That's it. Hi guys, good morning. I just woke up. I took a shower, and yeah, I'm back. We are back. Today is Wednesday, and we are back. Okay, yes, guys, I'm trying to be consistent with this vlog, and I'm really proud of myself, actually. So today is Wednesday, nothing much. I'm at work right now, you guys can see, and today is actually my godson's birthday. So happy birthday, baby Gio. I love you so much. God bless you in everything you do. I love you so much. Guys, I love my godson so much. I can't wait for his party, which you guys know I am going to vlog. Okay, yes, so yeah, happy birthday, baby Gio. And I love you so much. Well, anyways, guys, yeah, that's it for the day. I'm just gonna stay at work till of course I have to stay at work till what time do I get off? By 5. I get off by 5, and then after that, then I am going to go get my nails done and my toes done. So I'm gonna take you guys along, and if I'm doing anything else between that time, I will definitely pick up my camera. So yes, See you all later. Good guys, my hair is a mess, so don't even look at my hair. Don't worry about it because I'm about to look like a whole babe very soon. So I just got off from work right now, so I'm about to run and go get my nails done. I have my nail appointment by 5:10, but thank God the place is not too far from me, so I'm about to quickly go get my nails done. Right now I'm looking so unkempt, but don't worry, the glow will, like, before you know, when you see me, you will not believe that that's the same person, you know. So this is me, okay? But when you see me next time, you're looking like a babe, okay? When you see, not next time, but this weekend I'll be looking like a babe. But this is me right now. Let me be going. I'm here talking like, oh yeah, I haven't applied this today. Let me apply this to my hair, my edges today. I'm going to be washing my hair tomorrow, and then my auntie would help me to cornrow it back, and then my baby girl Whitney will install my hair for me. But for now, I'm gonna wash it tomorrow, and then I'm going to get it cornrowed. My auntie's gonna just help me cornrow it all the way back. So yes, because I'm gonna go get my nails done, and I will see you guys when I see you. Guys, it's raining. I didn't even know it was raining. I had to run inside my car. I can't believe it's raining. Like, why is it raining? Why is it raining? I don't like when it rains. I need to wear my seatbelt, guys. Yeah, hopefully. Thank you. Hey guys, so I'm back from getting my nails done. I actually really like them. I did them really short because I just wanted something very simple, and then my class is coming up next weekend, so I don't want anything too much and dramatic. So I really like them. So pretty. Yeah, I'm just stopping by to show you guys my nails. I love it. Good morning guys. So it is Thursday, and Maureen, say hi. Hi. Maureen came over to do my hair. Maureen always does my cornrows, guys. Like, I like the way you do cornrow actually, and it lasts. Your cornrow lasts, so that's why I like the way you do it. Maureen be missing in action. She never wants to come to my house anymore because now she has a boyfriend, so she just feel like, girl, she don't come to my house no more. She don't call me, she don't text me. If I don't call her, she don't call. Maureen not a good friend anymore. If I don't call her, she don't call me.
Okay, I have to admit I've been a very bad friend. I have to say that, but I want to improve.
You need to. Can't wait to go to New York. I'm in New York City, jamming. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here, guys. Then I'm gonna start my travel vlog tomorrow. So yes, because I'm not really doing anything today, guys. I did my hair already, so nothing to do. So this is the hair I'm wearing. Ooh, a brand new babe. Okay. This is like my go-to hair, like, yes. And Maureen actually gave me this hair for my birthday. Thank you, girl. She made this hair and she gave it to me. Guys, I keep telling this girl that she needs to be serious about her hair business. This girl, right? I can literally kill her right now. I can kill her, but you know what I mean. I keep telling her, like, she's so good. She actually did this hair. She got a vendor. She has a really good vendor. They have, like, guys, look at this hair. And I haven't washed this hair. Like, do you know how long I've been using this hair?
How long?
Like, I haven't washed this hair for a long time. Since we went to Atlanta for Eva's birthday, I haven't washed this hair. Yeah, this hair is really good. I keep telling her she needs to take this hair thing serious. She got the hair, she made the wig. Like, guys, this hair is so freaking beautiful, but she don't want to listen to me. She can be making millions. Like, she don't want to listen. She don't want to hear me. Look at somebody's hair.
Period.
Somebody saw go love me one day. Hey. So yes guys, that's it for the vlog. I'm still at work guys, but I'm about to quickly start packing my clothes. I was gonna try them on before I pack, but guys, I don't have strength for that, honestly. I'm about to quickly pack my stuff for New Jersey. I'm in New York City, Jamie. Only one mommy, only one mommy. I'm in New York City, Jamie. Oh yeah, shake body. My hair is just giving me a whole new.
This girl, when she do her hair, she
It's over.
turns into a different person.
It's over. You already know when I do my hair. It's over. Feeling it. It's a whole vibe.
I see you looking at me. I see you.
There's something wrong with me, I swear. There's something wrong with me. Well, yes, guys, that's it for the vlog. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, watch. Stay tuned. My New York vlog is going to start tomorrow. So I will see you guys in my next vlog, guys. Stay beautiful, stay safe, stay blessed like always, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Say hi to my vlog.
Bitch.